Good afternoon and welcome. I'm Craig Lewis, the Pratt Homes representative here at the Rail Club. We're here today to introduce you to our brand new model, a new floor plan, the Hillcrest. The first thing you see when you come in the house is the dramatic great room. We have a 12-foot arched window looking out over the park behind the home. That is framed by these ceiling beams, custom made on site, that frame the window. The kitchen is gorgeous. It features quartz countertops, black stainless appliances, and one of my personal favorites are these pendants. They just set the tone for the kitchen. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, including a luxurious master bathroom, highlighted by a separate walk-in shower and a freestanding tub. This one is truly unique. As we come down to the lower level, the family room features a gathering area here to play cards, big picture window, fireplace, fitness studio that has a large fixed glass window. Last but not least, the social center of the lower level is the wet bar. It features a distinctive, custom floating snack ledge. Here you can end your evening with a cocktail of your choice. Pratt Villas at the Royal Club, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to live in a unique lifestyle community. Here you will enjoy the amenities to allow you to live your dream for the next chapter. This is going to be a very special place to call home.